Toasty slowly. One was melody. The claw. He became very thirsty. He searching for the water, but he did not got water in the time. I'm feeling very thirsty. At last, he saw a pot. The water was shallow. Then the claw could not drink it. Then the claw liked to break the pot, but it could not. It tried again and again. It looked around and saw some peppers. He took the peppers one by one and put them in the pot. And the claw clung water and flew away. A moral of the story, remember till it's away.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.